We all want to be rich and accumulate huge wealth early in our life. But many of us don't do what it takes to follow the path. To become rich, you need to learn how to invest smartly and grow your money. Also, an important point here is to start your investment journey early. The sooner you start, the better you will be able to cash in on the power of compounding. There is no shortcut or hard formula to get rich. It just requires patience and discipline. In today's video I will share with you 3 investment plans, and if you remember these plans then you can achieve financial aid very quickly. Before starting the video, subscribe the channel by giving a like to the video. Let's start the video. Number 1. Investing in equity. This is one of the most popular ways to generate your income. Equity investors earn income through dividend payments and capital appreciation. The main advantage of investing in equities is that it provides investors with long-term goals of growth. Investors can reduce their risk and earn consistent returns over the long term. For example, Procter & Gamble is known for its reliable dividend payments that have been growing steadily for over 60 years. Another good example is that real estate investments can earn more than equity. One can also consider Realty Income Corporation. Number 2. Invest in mutual funds. Mutual funds are a popular investment space for those looking for a fixed income. Mutual funds collect money from multiple investors and invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds and other securities. This diversification reduces risk for individual investors and provides long-term growth potential. To earn a fixed income through mutual funds, you can choose from various options like dividend mutual funds, income funds and balanced funds. An example of a mutual fund that provides you fixed income is Vanguard Dividend Appreciation Index Fund. This fund is an income fund for investors. Provides a reliable source of investing in companies with a history of increasing their dividends every year. Number 3. Invest in rental office space. Investing in rental office space can be a reliable way to your fixed income. According to Nakul Mathur, MD, Avant India, while selecting a property, it is important to consider the location, size and condition of the building, as well as the demand for office space in the area. For example, a small office complex located in a growing business district can be a great investment opportunity. Many businesses are looking for affordable office space in an area with easy access to transportation and amenities, and a well-maintained property can attract high-quality tenants. Another option is to purchase a large building and lease individual offices to multiple tenants, which can be particularly profitable in areas where there is a high demand for flexible office space, such as co-working spaces or serviced offices. With careful planning and management, investing in rental office space can be profitable and rewarding ventures. However, it is very important to do your research and diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. If you want to get rich quick, then you can choose any of these 3.